Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Perana airdrop. Now Perana is on Solana and it's basically a stablecoin yield portfolio which is based on the Deepin narrative. And as we know that Deepin is one of the hottest narrative during this bull run, and hopefully this should be a decent airdrop. Although none of this is a financial advice, please do your own research. Now, if we talk about the funding raised by Perana, it has raised 3 million US dollars, and along with that, there are investors like Binance Labs and some other institutional backers. So, most probably after the airdrop, this might be listed on Binance. You may never know. So, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and visit their website over here and click on Get USD. So, let me go and show you the actual app. Now, the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and connect your Solana wallet. Now you can use my referral code as it really supports my channel and you might get some additional benefits for Perana. So the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and click on convert, and over here you can go ahead and convert your SOL to USDC. Now please note that I am not farming this airdrop on my computer right now because I have a Solana Seeker and I am farming on the Perana app on Solana Seeker. But I don't think their app is available on Play Store or iStore. So in this case, you will need to go ahead and farm it on your computer. Now, if you have a Solana Saga or a Solana Seeker mobile phone, you can start farming on that. So once you convert your SOL to USDC, you will get something called as USDC Star or Star USDC, which will give you around 6.72% APY at the time of making this video. Now, apart from USDC, there are other stable coins like USDT, PYUSD, AUSD. Now, if you go ahead and click on invest, they have a vault section where they have a strategy currently which is a leverage strategy. So you have to be very careful while investing into a leverage strategy because there might be a chance of margin call or liquidation. Now please note that this is giving around 12.39% APY and there is a 1-day lock day period. Now apart from this, you can also go ahead and collect badges. So the season 1 is starting soon. And as you can see, there are these different badges. Now please note that the season 0 and pre-season has already ended and season 1 would be starting soon. Now there is another thing which is called as earn petals. So whenever you convert your SOL to USDC and supply the USDC on Perena, you would be getting these petals. So the more number of USDC that you supply, the more petals you will be earning. And I think the airdrop would be based on the number of petals that you earn and the number of batches that you have collected. So it is this simple to go ahead and farm this airdrop on Solana. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.